How to cut Ankara Jumbo shorts in 7 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of coming across my video, you're welcome. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut Ankara Jumbo shorts in 7 minutes. Yes, okay guys, let's go. So if this is what you've been looking for, then you're welcome. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric into two because I'm cutting the front part first. Okay, so have it in mind that the measurement I use here is the hip circumference and the full length. Yes, the hip circumference and the full length. You can also get your waist, but it's actually not needed. Okay, for this short, we are going to be having an elastic waistband, and that elastic waistband, I'm making use of 1.5 inch elastic. So whatever measurement I'm going to be taking from the upper part, I'm going to take out 1.5 inch elastic. 1.5 inch from it. Okay, so what I'm actually doing here now is to make sure the part I folded will be enough. Okay, from this upper part now we go down. My short length is 18 inches, depending on how you want yours to be. If you want it to be longer than that, fine, but I think the highest should be 20. So 18 inches. If you see, I minus the 1.5 inch, then I added 1.5 inch down here, just like I'm doing. That's for hemming. Okay, so after this, now the next thing I'm going to do is to get my crotch depth. Now how I normally get my crotch depth is the hip circumference plus 4 inches divided by 4. Yes, you can add 3 inches, but for it to be very free, I add 4 inches, then I divide it by 4. Whatever I get, that will be my crotch depth. Okay, so what I'm about marking now is my crotch depth. Now this method will help it to be very free. Okay, so your hip circumference, you add 4 inches to it, then you divide it by 4. Whatever you get, you mark it as your crotch depth. So that is what I am actually doing here. So I mark it all around. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now is to come to this waistline. The same thing we did. Your hip circumference plus 4 inches or 3 inches divided by 4. Whatever you get, you mark it. Now remember, we are making a jumbo pant, a jumbo short, meaning it has to be very free. Then you mark it on this crotch area and also mark it on the waist area. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Your hip circumference plus 4 or 3 inches. Whatever you have, you divide it by 4. Whatever you get, you mark it on that crotch line and on the waistline, just like I did. Okay, then you connect the line. Okay, now for your crotch extension, what I normally do is your hip circumference divided by 16. Whatever you get, you mark it there. But because we are making a jumbo pant, I always make sure that the crotch extension I have is up to 3 or 3.5 inches. Yes, that way it will be very free. So I'll just mark it, then I'll go to the full length area and also mark the same thing. This is a jumbo short, it has to be very free. Okay, after marking that, I connect, then I come to this crotch area, go up by 2 inches, mark it just like I did. So after marking that, then just make a curve like I'm doing. You can use your curve ruler to do that, fine. You can also use your free hand. Okay, so like this now, our front part is ready. Yes, so all we have to do now is to just cut. So if you've not subscribed, please do where to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, so now it's time to cut the back part. Remember, this is a short, so the other side we have to open it up. Okay, just fold your fabric into two, just like I've done. Make sure you have allowance on the crotch side. The upper part, make sure you have like 1 inch allowance. I'm sorry if this part is not that visible. I didn't know my camera didn't capture everything, but I'm going to make sure I explain very well. On the upper part, I added 1 inch. Yes, that is what I just did now. 1 inch, then I connect it in a slanted form to the front part, just like I'm doing now. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you guys where it's very, very visible. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to that upper part, let's call it the waist area. I'm going to add 2 inches. I'll add the 2 inches down till I get to where that crush part started from. Just watch and see what I'm doing. I'll add the 2 inches down, you see. Okay, so you see, I just connect the lines. That's 2 inches down. Okay, see what I just did. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to that crush area. So you see, come to this crush area. I'm going to extend it by 3 inches. Yes, 3 inches, because this is a jumbo part. Then I'll go to the down part and extend it by 2 inches. Then I'll connect the lines. Sorry, this is a short. I keep saying jumbo pants. Well, it's also the same method, just that this one is a short, and when we are talking of jumbo pants, we're talking about the long trousers. Okay, so then I'll connect it like this. Also make our crush curve. So you see, this is it. It's very, very easy. So this is what it looks like. So all I have to do now is to just cut it out. So you see this part, I told you I added 2 inches here down. Then on the crush area, I added 3 inches. This upper part is where I added 1 inch. And I slanted it. Okay, so all we have to do now is to cut. So this is how to cut your jumbo shorts. 7 minutes. Thank you.